1, 2, 3. The Lord He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. With me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest the table before me can't hear you. In the presence of my enemy. Thou anointest my head with oil. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
That's great.
Amen. They have put amen on it.
Okay, yeah.